To activate your RBC, Royal Bank of Canada, debit card, client card, follow the instructions included with the card. Common methods: by phone, most common. Call the activation number printed on the sticker attached to your new card or in the accompanying letter. Have your card number and personal details ready. You may set or confirm your PIN during the call. At an RBC ATM, insert the new card into an RBC Royal Bank ATM and complete a simple transaction, such as a balance inquiry or PIN change. This often activates it automatically. In a branch, visit any RBC branch with valid ID for assistance activating the card and setting your PIN. For RBC Virtual Visa Debit for online shopping, open the RBC mobile app, select your checking account, manage cards, activate your virtual Visa Debit, and follow the prompts. Credentials become available instantly. Once activated, sign the back of the physical card, if required, and start using it. Your existing PIN usually carries over for replacement cards.